Hey everybody, we are making Pinakbet. For today's ingredients, we have shallots. You can use onions as well. Some garlic. You've got some marinated pork. I marinated this overnight, but this is from a previous meal. So this is pork shoulder. I marinated it with some pepper and fish sauce. From the vegetables, we have long beans, some eggplant, okra, Kobocha squash, tomato, and also have some bitter melon that I marinated about 15 minutes with some salt water and then squished the salt water out and rinsed it out. So got rid of the bitterness. All right, so I've prepped some of the vegetables. What I'm gonna do is cook the aromatics and then I'll throw in the pork. Okay, so I'll be adding the pork in first. I want to make sure I get a decent sear. Mix this in. I'm going to add more pepper. Mix it up. And this will need a liquid to simmer, so I'm going to add some water. So I added just about the same level as the meat. I'm going to simmer this down and then I'll be prepping the vegetables while I do this. It's been about 30 minutes and take a look. At this point, I'm going to add bagoong, which is sauteed shrimp paste. We're gonna add about a tablespoon and we'll also add the squash after that. Let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. Then I'll add the rest of the vegetables in together. So we're gonna add the rest of the vegetables. We'll throw the okra in, eggplant and the beans, bitter melon. Put the lid on, let it steam, and we'll wait another 10-15 minutes and check on how the vegetables are. I mixed the vegetables and the meat together, and this is how it is. Taste test time. I don't see how soft it is. Then try some of the squash. It's soft. If you want it more salty, you can add more fish sauce. Otherwise, hand claps all around.